Question. What is the male equivalent to a basic? Because that's me. Yeah, dude. Take it all in. So today, the T-slotted aluminum comes in for the crossbars. That means I need to be ready. So we are gonna mount that angle aluminum onto the truck. It's gonna be great. What I've got today is aluminum sheet. More on this later. Always good to know what you're going to be drilling from one side to the other. So pulling this stuff off so I can drop the headliner a little bit and take a look. Because chief of all reasons, you don't want to drill into an airbag. That'd be bad. A little side note here. Bought these to kind of be gentle on the trim as I pull things up. But this stuff is soft, dude. So I'm going to have to get a little creative with the scribe here just to get under this thing, because holy crap. All right, so we got all these things removed. Yeah, I'm one of those people. Something to keep in mind. Where's that? Tripping on everything. You can see in there. Come on, focus. The headliner's held up right there too. So if you get all this loose, you start to pull real hard. Probably keep that in mind so you don't like bend it so hard where you wind up with creases. Something I stop myself from doing. Another point to consider, this right here is squishy. This is like a body joint. It's either a seal or something for rattles. Either way, there's a little bit of give to it. So considering that the outer point of my L-beam is going to be resting on it, I'm going to have to be paying attention to this over time as I kind of test this thing and how much it can hold. And I'm not too worried, otherwise I would just get the rail and mount it here or like figure something out, but we'll see how this goes. Alright, figured something out. Placing some press seal in here, I think is going to form the barrier I'm looking for, so I can use this stuff. Now this should dry with a little bit of tensile strength to where it won't shoot out under like a lot of weight pressure. That's my theory anyway. So if at the very least, this will keep it from actually bonding to the truck's paint for the most part. It's not perfect, but it should make it a lot easier to remove down the line. We are painting right now, and once that's dry enough, we'll begin mounting. When I said that this would probably be the strongest part of the roof, I don't think I was kidding. I cannot drill through this part. Those two holes were fine. This, I've gone through, I'm trying everything, even hammer drill bits. This was a $10 bit. I forget what it was made of. Cobalt. So this stainless steel. Come on, focus. Stainless steel, cast iron, all that good stuff. I don't know if it's ruined now or if the roof metal is that hard, but holy crap. I don't know. This was the most expensive type of bit they had. I didn't ever know cobalt was all that strong, but I really thought I'd at least get these rails onto the tracks today, because the T-slots will be arriving sometime today. The idea was to have them in place before they got here, so I can go ahead and get that process started. But man, I cannot. Come on, focus. I can't get through. These cobalt bits just aren't doing it, so I don't know what the next step up is. Maybe a carbide tip. I guess, you know, it's hard to complain if a truck's built well, because I can't get through that. So I know if I roll it over, well, there's diamond in there, so it shouldn't buckle if I flip this truck. Got the rails painted. All I need to do is get some holes drilled. But yeah, I'm cutting my losses for the day. Head out to Home Depot or Lowe's tomorrow and get some better drill bits, I guess. So I'm gonna install this light switch and take a shower.